Hello all, let's have a discussion on clouds. A cloud is a visible mass of water droplets and ice particles which are dispersed in the sky. There are different types of clouds that we will discuss later. Clouds may look like light-weighted and fluffy, but they are actually pretty heavy. Researchers have calculated that weight of an average cloud is approximately equal to weight of 100 elephants. Now the chemistry part. Clouds play important role in several atmospheric chemical reactions. They provide an abundant supply of water molecules for the chemical reaction. For example, the reaction between carbon dioxide and water molecule which results carbonic acid. That's why the pH of natural rain is 5.6. Depending on the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the pH of natural rain may vary. That's it. Thank you.